Coding made easy.
So what's up everybody, and welcome to another Coding Made Easy update. I know you guys haven't heard from me in a while, and I haven't made a tutorial in a long while, but I'm releasing my new website today. Now there's still a lot of features that I want to add, and I will be adding in every now and then, right? But for now, it's at a stable, well, not exactly super stable. There's probably is some bugs, right? But it is at a working state. So you guys can still use the website. You can watch my tutorials, watch the source code, and all the other features on this website. Now, just to show you some of the features on the website. So I already showed you guys this one, but in case you guys didn't see my other website, my other video, sorry, this will update based on the latest video that I post, right? So when I upload this video is gonna be displayed on the home page. Sorry. Right here it's just describing some of the tutorials, the source code, and I have a new section called or called answers. This is supposed to show my latest tweet. Something, I think I requested it too many times. I requested the URL too many times, so this will update within an hour or so. But I created a brand new Twitter account just for Coding Made Easy. So what this is gonna do, what the Twitter account is gonna be used for, is that whenever I have an update or whatever, I just want to make an announcement or whatever, I can easily just put it on Twitter, right? I will also be adding in like a chat bar at the bottom. So if you guys want to chat with people online, or I can make global announcements on the chat bar, all that stuff, but that stuff will come a bit later, okay? And you can just follow me by clicking the follow me button. You can access my Facebook page, Google Plus, or Twitter. This has nothing on it, but you can access any one of these pages by just hovering over it and clicking it, okay? And if you click one of these, it just brings you to another page that describes what it's about. Okay, so now I will bring you to my tutorials page, which I already showed you. So it lists all the different tutorials, and it will be updated every single time I add a tutorial to my playlist. So it lists all the videos. You can click a video to watch, and it will pop up, and you'll be able to watch that tutorial. Okay, simple enough. If you go to source code now, you can find most of the source code here. It's the same source code that I had on my last website, but there's the platformer source code updated on this website as well. Now I still have to update the SML 2.0 source code, and I gotta I think there's no SML 2.0 source code. And there's some I've got to update, like the C++ Made Easy HD. I don't have it for all my tutorials. I only have it till tutorial 16. But yeah, you can check those out. Now, before I had a forum, right, and I got rid of the forum entirely, mainly because there was a lot of things I didn't like about the forum. The biggest thing I didn't like was the code highlighting. When I enabled code highlighting, the colors weren't right. I didn't like the font, and looking through the source code in order to find that would have been like hell on earth. And I didn't like the plugin they used for the syntax highlighting. So now I've kind of done it. Like now it's kind of like if you guys have ever seen Yahoo Answers or something like that, or Stack Overflow or something like that, basically you can ask a question or whatever, choose a topic that you specified in, people can click it, and they can like it, they can share it to any one of these, they can like it, right, they can reply to it, and so on and so forth. And then when the user, I'm not logged in right now, but when the user is satisfied, then they can mark it as resolved, or set somebody's as the best answer, right? And once they do that, if you're chosen as the best answer, or the top answer, or whatever you like to call it, then you're gonna get points. Whenever you post something or whatever on the website, you'll get points, so on and so forth. I haven't really set up the point system all that great yet, so I think you will still accumulate points. But there's some kinks I gotta fix with that. But you should get points when you either vote up an answer, or when you post an answer, or when you become a top answer, or something like that. So you can work with that. I'm trying to make it so that the users can define their own tags, because in the back end they're only allowing me to create the tags in the back end. But I'm trying to make it so that you guys can define your own tags, and then I will enable tagging on the posts. You can see members. There's certain badges you can get for certain accomplishments. Um, so if you vote replies 100 times, then you'll get this badge on your profile. You get a bunch of different badges that you can have. Um, and yeah, and if you go to the default discussions page, you can see which ones are unresolved, which ones are unanswered. Uh, you can check all that stuff, and you can check out the new posts and everything. So you can click it, just make a reply, do whatever, help people out. So I don't know if you guys will like this better than the forum, but I was thinking that this is a more efficient way to do it. And let me just log in here to show you something that I really liked about this as well. So just let me log in. Okay, so yeah, they can mark something as resolved. And if I can add a reply, I've added in a BB code editor just because I don't want people to be able to use HTML and JavaScript and stuff and like ruin my site. What you can do is, before in the code tags, you just have to do code like that, and you just put code, and then it will just display the code. Now, if you press code right here, you can see that you can specify a type of code. So you can set it to XML, you can put CPP for C++, C# for C# type code, etc., etc. And depending on what you specify, it will display it differently. So, and I set a default theme from the back end and stuff like that. So based on the theme, it's going to show it accordingly. So if I do that, I put using namespace. And a cool thing about this is that if you click tab, it will automatically format it for you, which I don't believe was a feature on the other forum. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, when you click enter, it will automatically click put in BR tags. So you can click tab and you can put whatever you want. So I can make a variable, test, whatever. But if you just want to write something on the fly, you can do it in this editor pretty easily. And I'll just do something like this, just to show you what it can do. And you can attach files, attach URLs, so on and so forth. Click reply. And when you click reply, you could see your code highlighted like so, and people could copy and paste it, and so on and so forth. So that is it for this update right now. I will, if you guys have any problems, then just message me on Facebook, on Twitter, on my YouTube inbox or whatever. If there's any bugs, it is not perfect, so just report anything that you need to report. If you don't like this answer system and you want back to forum, I will consider doing it, but I think this is a better solution. So thanks for watching. It's up now, so check it out. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and like on Facebook as well. So that is it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.